Oh, this is gonna be really weird. Still missed. It sucks. God, not having a pressure switch is ass. Nope. Bang, bang, bang. You did.
I'm on your team now, then please do not.
Oh shit, no way. Sweet. You missed over here. I'm not on your team. Oh, here you go. I was waiting for someone to shoot me. She's like, what's going on here? Oh, I need a pressure switch.
You need what?
A pressure switch. Mine broke like a week ago, so I'm running around doing this and shit.
My God.
I know, dude, I'm struggling.
You don't need it.
I should turn it on. You got me in the arm, you got me. Oh, you got me.
He's out, he's out.
You're good, you're good. Hey! Look, mate.
Down, down.
Got me a finger, you're good. Oh, Trey, it's all good, you got me the finger. Oh! Hit. Hang on, walking out.
Are you former armed forces?
No.
Oh, I got
Just a nerd.
like,
Just a fellow nerd. At the end of the day, brother, I'm just an Amazon warrior. America!